So this is my Olympia SM3 typewriter, which I think is a bit of a gem, and I think it also is an SM3 Deluxe, but I don't know really. It says Deluxe on it and it appears to be that thing. Now what I've discovered though, however, is that when you get to a certain point when you're typing away here quite happily, and I'm not a typist, so I'm not going to do that, but when you get to a certain point it just stops. There we go, it's jammed round about in the middle of a sheet of an A4, and I discovered also that if you slightly lift the carriage it will then move along, so something is preventing it from continuing all the way across the carriage. And when I investigated, I found that if we come around the side here, oh dear, sorry, my little camera's going to blur here, isn't it? So as we come round the side, it reaches a place, and if what we're looking at is this place here, and slightly under the carriage, and it's that item there that I'm poking at with my pen. Can you see that? And so if I now move the carriage along, when that comes to a place, when it hits the body of the body of the typewriter, and you can see that if I were to just lift that slightly like so, then it will carry on past there. So what to do? I'm not sure. My instinct tells me to look at that little place there. You can see where it's hit, and it's continued, and it's made a mark there. My instinct tells me to just use a metal punch and hit that so it's out of the way. There's probably a better way of doing it. It's probably just happened through wear or a knock whilst it was inside the box, which has meant that it's just all slipped slightly. There may be a better way of doing this, so if anybody knows, I'd like to know before I go ahead and do the Birmingham solution on it. I think there may be something within the carriage that is possibly adjustable, that maybe I could lift it upwards, so I might investigate that further, but I just thought I'd just show you this before I do something drastic or semi-drastic. There it is anyway, that's the mark, and that's where it all happens.